Today is 29th of September 2019 and this is a red ear slider, 13 years old male.
Okay, this slider came in today with a complaint of some board patches on the back side there. As you can see, it's really very soft and smelly. So it started with a small wound. Later I will show the images. Small wound here. It started a small wound and then became very big. Over the last 2 weeks, it spread. So what we do now is we give some gas again, the mask by mask. We give some gas by mask, Isoflurane gas, and it should come this side by mask. And okay. So what I would do is I'm trying to lance the abscess. Now, as you can see, the abscess infection has spread from a small wound here. The wound was here. Later I'll show the slide. And then over the last 2 weeks it spread. It spread under the skin. You see? This is a normal skin. Now the normal skin will be like this, you see? The normal skin is quite solid. Abnormal skin, due to the bacterial infection and gas formation and abscess and pus formation, the skin becomes very swollen actually. So now I have to incise under anesthesia, incise and drain the. We'll give some gas to effect. Okay. So now I will turn upside down. Turn upside down. Okay, we stop the gas for a while first. Then normally I will do it from here so that it's a ventral. Hold it now. Ventral excision, lancing. You see the pus come out. It's really bad. So the diagnosis was confirmed correct. It actually passed. Okay. Wait, go back to the normal position again. Let the pus drain out. And some more gas. Put on top of the paper. Put on top of this paper. Some more gas. And you can see I did a ventral incision so that any abscess it's rotten smell, because the bacteria is probably one of those nicotizing bacteria. There's a strong rotting smell. Now, so I do a ventral incision so that any bacteria and the pus will drain out easier. And now if you do a dorsal one, then all will be stuck below all the pus. But I did a ventral one, and then normally I would get rid of this dead skin. This is no use, this skin. So I have to encourage, facilitate more drainage, so that the bacteria won't spread. This is one of those nicotizing bacteria. Now we can't give too much gas, so you can see that there's some struggling on. Now you can see that the bacteria, the pus already spread to other areas as well, and that's why the red ear slider is not eating, But if we don't get rid of all these necrotic tissues due to this is one of those very bad smelling bacteria, then this red ear slider will not be able to recover. In fact, it probably will die. So we do give some gas to relieve the pain, but unfortunately we can't estimate exactly how much gas to give, as the red ear slider is said to hold the breath, but I don't think so, but some people believe in it. So after that we'll drain this, you see, then the fresh blood will be there. The fresh blood will be good. You need to make a sufficient big incision to drain the smelly pus. These are the normal skin. Okay, we'll just do it upside down again. Turn upside down again and let's see. Now you can't do it too long upside down, so I just have a quick one. You can see that it's really bad here. The pus already accumulate there. Shoot out all the. Okay, turn back again. Okay, so I have done quite a big area. So continue some gas again. Now I will see whether I still can get some of the necrotic skin out. Let's see, it's still here. It's very hard to assess. Huh? Now I will find that. Yeah, see whether he put in some gas first. I won't feel the pain. A bit of gas. Okay, if it's not moving, then I will take out again the cone if it's not moving. Okay, upside down again. That's good. Upside down, the reason is that I can see clearer. So you can see clearer. You can see the pus is still there on this side. This is bad. It's a respect to this side because the owner waited 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Now I know somebody in the YouTube would just curse me for not 100% anesthetized, but it's very hard to know exactly how deep it is, because once you stop moving, then we stop the gas. Otherwise, you can kill the radius slider. Now I just use scissors to cut off all the necrotic skin. There. It's really bad. It went upwards. These are the leftovers here. Not much here, but still. Now I have a big hole, so you can drain out. You can drain out the abscess, and of course you will check tomorrow again. Now I will use some hydrogen peroxide. Okay, turn back to normal again, and we stop the gas already. Okay, so you just drink some hydrogen peroxide, flush out all the dirt from the corner there, if possible. This is a very, not say very rare case, I would say, but it does happen. Is it okay? Put it down only. You can see any more. God, further up. Okay, you hold them, you hold it. There's still some necrotic tissues further up. You just hold first, you just hold. I ask my assistant to hold on. The wound started from there, further up. Yeah. This is really bad. You see that here? Smelly, very smelly. Normally it's rotten bacteria, necrotizing bacteria. This another one here, there. It's really under the shell, in fact. Okay, wait first. This one just started. Okay, this one. You have to be very thorough because the bacteria is still inside. Those dead skin, they harbor the bacteria. So you cannot go through. This one just starting only. There's a small continuation here, there. Okay, tomorrow then you will check again, but most likely, okay, you put some peroxide in. Most likely it should be, tomorrow you should see that it's much better. Now the wound will heal by granulation. Flush out all the debris. So incise, lance, incise and drain for abscesses, whether human or animal. Okay, time finish already. Okay, that's it. We'll stop it.